Once there was a woman who had lived more pain than she could speak. She carried emotional wounds so deep that even her laughter shook sometimes. One day, life hit her with a wave that knocked her breath away. Old trauma resurfaced, reminding her of everything she had tried to forget. She tried to fight it, but the memories were louder than her strength. So she stopped fighting and started surrendering. She sat on her bed, closed her eyes, and said, "Lord, if you don't hold me, I won't make it." And God answered, not with thunder, not with miracles, but with presence. God wrapped her in silence, so still it felt like a blanket. God strengthened her heart, bit by bit. God whispered courage into her bones. The woman still had to walk through the fire, but this time she walked through the fire with God by her side. And when she emerged, smoke on her clothes, tears in her eyes, she saw something she had never seen before. The fire didn't destroy her, it purified her. She was not the woman she used to be. She was wiser, softer, and stronger. She had been rebuilt from the inside out. Yes.